Okay, so good morning once again, Remy. How are you? Now we are we are going to be looking at long division today. Now remember in my previous videos I showed you how to solve basic division. Now the reason why long division is introduced is because it will help you to solve division problems that are difficult, that are more cumbersome. For example, we can't use that basic method I taught you to solve 819 divided by 3 because you sketching 819 oranges or counting up to 819, it's going to be difficult, okay? So that is why the long division is being introduced. Okay, now in solving this long division, I'm going to show you how you can combine both the basic division method I've taught you and the long division technique which we have been using so far together. So let's see how to solve this. So as usual, we are going to put our dividend, which is 819, inside this square like shape, and then we'll put our divisor here outside the box. Now remember, this is our technique, the procedures to follow. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, S stands for subtraction, and B means bring down. And remember I said we must take each of the digits one by one. Okay, we must take each of the digits one by one. So let's take the first digit. We are taking 8. Let me take it good for you to know that we want to treat this first digit. Now each digit you take must undergo these four procedures here. Okay, that's the trick, and that's the technique there. So now let's go. First step is division. So let's go. 3 divide 8. So this is where the basic division I taught you will be useful. So I said 3 divide 8. So you are going to sketch or draw your 3 oranges and then count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that this last one did not complete 3, so which means it goes 2 times, 1 and 2. That is the 2 you will put on top here. You go to multiplication. 2 times 3, that gives you 6. You see, I'm putting the 6 under 8 because I'm treating 8 first. Okay, now we go to subtraction. I subtract 8 minus 6, that's 2. Now I'm going to bring down these other ones, which is our B now. Bring down, bring down. I'll bring down my 1. I'll also bring down my 9. So let me bring them down. So bring down my 1, bring down my 9. I'm done with this first digit 8. I'm going to the second digit, which is 1. And that is this 1 here. Now, but this one, there is a 2 that is in front of it because of the subtraction that was made here. So I'm now going to call this 21. Remember, I'm treating this second digit here, this one, but there's a 2 in front of it, so I'm going to call it 21. So this 21, we undergo through these procedures again. You divide, you multiply, you subtract, you bring down. So now let's do that now for this 21. Let's go. 3 divide 21. Let's start again. You go back to the basic division I taught you in case you can't get the number offhand. Just go to the basic division I've taught you. You 3 divide 21. You count again up to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This one is complete. There's no remainder. So let's count. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, you have 4, you have 5, you have 6, you have 7. So that's 7 times. We have 7. So you put your 7 here. Then you go to multiplication. 7 times 3, that's 21. Now you go to the next one, subtraction. You subtract. Remember, you put your 21 under this second digit because we are treating this second digit. Okay, 21 minus 21, everything here is gone, so I'm left with my 9, right? So I'm going to bring down this 9. I'm bringing down the 9. So now I've treated the second digit. I now go to the last digit, which is this 9, and that's this 9. So we start again, repeat the process again, DMSB. So we go again, 3 divide 9. If you don't know it, go back to your basic division I taught you. Draw your 3 circles, count up to 9. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also complete. So how many groups do we have? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So we have 3. So which means that 3 divide 9 is 3. You put the 3 here. We have done division. Go to multiplication. So 3 times 3, 9. Now go to the next step, subtraction. You subtract, and then 9 minus 9 is 0. There's nothing to bring down again. So which means that our answer is, so therefore 819 divided by 3 is equal to 273, and that is our answer. So can you see that? So you can see how useful this basic division we learned in our last video is able to help us to tackle this long division. Okay, so let me solve one more problem for you to gain deeper understanding. So let me solve one more problem. So let's take another one. This one is 432 divided by 4. Let's look at this. Now, we put, as usual, we're going to put our dividend here, and then we are going to divide by 4. Okay, this time I'm dividing by 4. So I think I have to get rid of all this, don't need them again. Okay, so I'm dividing by 4. Let's go. Now remember, we use our D, sorry, where's my pen? So remember, we use our DMSB. So we take them digit by digit. The first digit is 4, so I'm going to treat this 4. So I go, first thing is division, so I'm going to say 4 divided 4, that's 1. Okay, if your number divide itself is 1, so you put the 1 here. Multiplication, 1 times 4, that's your 4. Next, subtract. We subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0, so we are done with that. Now let's bring down this other 2. I'm bringing this down. I'm also bringing this down. So when I bring it down, I'll be having 3 2 here. Now I'm done with the first digit. Let's go to the second digit. That's 3, which is this 3 here. I'm going to treat this digit now. So let's go. 4 divide 3. 4 is greater than 3. So it cannot, which means that's 0, which means it's 0 times. Remember I told you that division tells you about how many times a number goes into another. So it's 0 times. It goes into 3 0 times. It cannot go, so it's 0 times. So We put our 0, you times. 0 times 4, that's 0. You go to subtraction. I know it's going to give us the same thing, but it's very important you follow that procedure. So we have brought down this 2. That's why we're having 32 there. Brought down this 2. Okay. So I've treated 3. Next, I'm going to treat 4. I'm going to treat this last digit. That is 2. Right? I'm going to treat 2. Okay. So let's go. We are treating this 2 now. This 2, that's this 2 here. Now, but there is a 3 in front of it, so we call it 32. Okay, so I'm going to have 4 dividing 32. So I'm going back again to my basic division. So I'm dividing by 4. So I'm going to draw my 4 oranges. And then I count up to 32 times. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. This also complete. So how many group of 4 do we have? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, which means 4 divided 32 is what? Is 8. So we go to multiplication. 8 times 4, 32. We go to subtraction. 32 minus 32, that gives us 0. So which means our answer 432 divided by 4, our answer is 108, and that is the solution to this problem. So you can see how we are able to use the basic division to tackle this long division problem. So I pray that this problem sinks in to your memory, okay, and to your understanding. So do have a good day. Bye.